Man, that was a weird day. What did they get all upset about? And that girl. What the heck did they even know? Well, you know, they weren't wrong. We were pretty out of line. No way. I've heard heaps of boys talk like that. In fact, I've seen way worse. Besides, we haven't even been pulled up on it before. What's the difference now? Bro, are you serious? It doesn't matter if it's always been that way. We shouldn't treat our wahine like that. We don't talk bad to our nannies, aunties, or our cousins. So why should we treat wahine any differently? Sure, today we stuffed up. But we can be better. We can do better tomorrow. It's easy. What do you think? Well, besides rationalizing how all three of us can coexist within this dimensional space-time continuum, you've got a point. I can do better. I will do better. We can all do better.